first, let's go with what your stocks are, and we'll quickly go through them.
Yeah. SDLP.
Second,
SDLP.
DLP.
The biggest reason is it SDST? Hold on, SLDP.
Solid power.
Yeah, solid power.
So as I was saying, see, the main, as of now, the solar was good energy, green energy stock. This is one of the reasons Democrats were putting green energy, but the most sell-off has happened during Democrat period, and this is very, very kind of so market overall. I think that solar has value, and this is the area because what's going to happen is because of the electric vehicles and other green initiatives, there is going to be a lot of pressure on the grid, and you would have seen your electric cost have gone up already. That's because the grids are under pressure, and to be able to run through them, and they have to be adding more energy. So I'm not just saying that the solar going to be utilized only at a consumer level. This is going
to supplement. It's a supplement.
Yes, a supplement to the consumer. Plus, also solar is going to be utilized at by the grids also, because they will be they're actually buying your power from your place and supplying to somebody else. So solar, the electricity becomes a commodity which they are collecting from multiple places. They cannot have so many solar panels in one small area. So for that reason, they are bringing it up, and it costs money. Obviously, the government credits have come into picture. So for that reason, this is an industry which will expand. And as of today, I think solar has a value, but we don't know exactly when that will the jump will happen. As of now, the IPO is close to $10, which makes sense, and the stock is running.
But there was a buyback recently. That's what triggered my thoughts. Usually there's something going on there, but a huge buyback.
Yes, buybacks are always good, and for that reason, I think that and see. One more thing you will notice is any buyback will be happening when the price is low, not at the high.
Correct. Correct.
And they try to tell you that initially, somebody who will be like in entering at like $5 or $6 or higher. They would say, okay, this stock is not doing great and all blah 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 blah. When it's almost at the bottom, they will say, okay, you should sell it out. This stock is going to be it's a waste of money and all.
Intentionally. It's all intentional.
It's all intentional. Yeah, they will do it intentionally so that you say, and exactly at that time, one venture capital or major investor will come into picture, and then they get their position and then quickly squeeze it up. So
what do you think is the entry point I should have?
Entry point for here is this is good. I mean, right now, anywhere this is.
And what's the target? What target you're looking at, and how long?
I will be looking. $5 is decent. I mean, I'm looking $5 should be decent target on this stock. Just that
over 3 weeks, 1 month, 6 months.
That I don't know. I mean, I will. It's not yet my active list. So what I'm going to do is this stock I'm going to add into some of my positions, and that way I'll start tracking on a regular basis. So yeah, that one way of for me to get better into fundamentals is by actually tracking the stock on a regular basis. But as of today, I think just looking at the income statement, they have income has gone up, which is a good thing.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I looked at.
Yeah, so their income has gone up, which is good. 2022 and 2023 income has I mean, there I see some of the months that income 2022 is still here, and 2023 numbers have not fully come. So I think one more quarter is there to get our 2023 numbers. So we are looking at Yeah, so I see 2023, the net, I expect 2023 numbers to be not great. Comparatively, 2022, I will be expecting that the income had gone up, but now it's going to go down again. So this year, I'm expecting, let's see. This is 3 million, 4 million, 7 plus 6, 13, about 15, $16 million income, but the revenue, sorry, and net income is going to be negative, about roughly. So this will be much higher. So, and that's one of the reason 2023 was not great for this stock. Their expenditure is high, and the revenue is low. So, but they would be getting a lot of tax credits and all. Yep. For now, I'll just, like as I said, it has value, but when this will happen, see the balance sheet has gone up, the assets are increasing. That means that they are expanding on their footprint.
Okay.
They're expanding their footprint. For now, I just think that this cash flow negative is coming up. So I feel positive. It's just that I don't know when, but if you want to buy it for a long haul, yes, it is a good investment. Yeah, and I do the similar things. When I see something at a good value, I just accumulate it. And Buffett strategy, I don't have a expiry date to sell, but I just so there are two components which I operate. One component I operate is a long term, and second is a short term. So long term, and this will be the long term bucket, and short term is where you are creating income every week. So this is not in that category. Okay. Any other stock?
The GEHC, this is GE Healthcare, it bumped 11% in the last week.
Yep, I saw that. Yeah. It's like, we were talking when it was 65 at that particular time. It was little speculative, but expected to go up. That's happened. It went up almost roughly about 25-30% already.
He's got some more upside. We're doing well, in the sense that
I mean, yeah, I mean, I can guess. Otherwise, the stock would not have performed. It's almost close to its all-time high.
Yeah, at 87. Yep.
Yeah. So, I mean, right now, buying wise, I don't know, but whatever the GE Healthcare is doing, this is really working for them, and they're from the financial standpoint. Just looking at their cash flow, which is
they paid down some of their debt,
Yeah, so their cash flow is going up, annual cash flow, but quarterly, yeah. So whatever, third quarter was low, and probably that's why the stock was sold off. But anything that's happening is right now is any recent most news that brought the stock to go up.
Mainly because of our 1Q, 4Q
Right,
numbers.
earnings revenue. So
Yeah.
yeah. Okay. Which explains. I mean, as a value buyer, I'll buy here, then I'll buy here. But right now, I'll just wait until, or I will trade short term. I'll buy and then scalp, buy and scalp. So so I'll buy and sell, buy and sell. If you can buy and sell, it takes a lot of time, but yeah. As of now, it has safety built into it. As of once it crosses 85, 87, and it just shows strength further, then I will be looking to check my entries. But for now, I will just watch it, not buying, not selling. Okay. So
other one is GE. Just look at GE too, because I they're doing very well, and obviously it's been beautiful.
Yeah, G is great. G is great. This is nothing to do G and G. This is they are doing excellent. So.
What is the high? What they're expecting now? 150 to 200
Yeah, possible. See, that's possible. Mm,
in 2024.
Yeah, it is. It is definitely possible because there is no resistance. All I'm seeing is that means the institutions and retail, they are aligned on the growth. So it's also, yeah. So as of now, this
And
stock,
plus the spin-off is occurring for power
right?
in this quarter, end of this quarter.
Yeah. Yep.
Power
So.
was the bleeding element, you know.
So, so are you getting new RSUs for the stock, or your existing one and the
They're
one?
existing. They're existing.
Okay, so you are
I'm
adding or not adding on that?
not adding on it. No, because
Oh,
I'm spun off, right? I don't get any GE RSUs anymore.
okay. So you are now
I'm not GE Healthcare.
okay. So you get G Healthcare RSUs?
Yeah.
Okay. So then, yeah.
Yeah, I had when we spun off, they gave us RSUs
Okay.
when we spun off.
Oh, that's good. So if you have and how much of it's vested already now?
In 5 years, it'll be 100% vested.
100% vested. Okay. So about how many? 2 years now?
2 years now. Yep.
Okay. Yeah. Good. So that is, G Healthcare is both the stocks are doing good. So I think for now, G Healthcare is also has a lot of potential. Healthcare is not going anywhere. The reason healthcare was impacted was because of COVID. A lot of attention went into the vaccine area rather than the healthcare services like cancer and all
Yeah. Yeah.
different other areas of healthcare. Everything was focused purely treating this. So for now, I think healthcare is good. G healthcare is,
Okay.
and good
Okay.
part is as they get more cash and they're more profitable, they can do better with existing strategies. Earlier, if many times I've seen the companies have good strategies, but they are not able to expand it or do it well because of the cash. Apple is able to do it because they have cash. Amazon, once you have cash, you can deploy it well and then do better things. You can with your expansion, with your consumers, and also definitely that's going to be helpful. And I'm also looking as healthcare is evolving as well. A lot of the cost of buying or like making a lot of healthcare have become more efficient. So
Yeah. Yep.
um, yeah, versus earlier more manufacturing. Nowadays, a lot of 3D printing is getting involved into that area. So and
One other stock you want to look at, RGTI.
RGT,
Still invested in RGTI. Yeah.
RGT computing.
I invested at 75 or 80 cents. It's been a while now. It's been 6 months to a year, and it has not done much.
Mm-hmm. Um, RGT.
I invested back in 23.
Yeah. I'm not very, don't feel
This
good.
is run by an Indian.
Okay. So uh, they are not, I'm seeing pressure up because of the competition. Yeah. I think, especially with the cloud, they're expanding. So, but they need to come up with a net positive um, net income. So which is a big ratio. The revenue versus the income is I mean, I'll be very speculative for this. They need a lot of cash. So I'm expecting they will be having uh, either some investor come into it and invest, or some level of partnership. So somebody has to partner with them. I need
Yeah.
to see. hardly any cash. 20 September, there is some positive cash flow coming in. Okay, so the cash is increasing, but that's increasing from where? We are seeing assets liability. No, not looking at that. Operations negative. So this is from financing. So that means, yeah, I'm not big. Whatever they are doing on the financing side, that I don't know what their agreements are. So I'm not very interested. I want to see more of operational cash flow increase, but for now it's okay. This is price point is lucrative. It's okay to hold. Yeah, just hold it more. I'll have I'll need to do a little bit more research on their management and what their strategies are. Let's see, their website is Subodh Kulkarni, and
Right.
he is the right about Novera. So they are creating. Okay. Investors. Okay. I'll go through this and see what they're offering here. Basically, they are quantum computing. Have you are you looking for um, any exposure on your on this side of their business, like as part of your? Do you interact with something like this on
No,
your
no,
corporate side?
no.
Oh, okay, yeah. So for now, I'll just take a look, dig a little deeper, and
Yeah,
come up with my analysis.
yeah. Okay.
Okay. Any research? Any other stock?
That's it.
Avinash, one
Yes.
is ANET, Arista Network.
ANET.
I just joined, sorry.
Oh, no, that's fine, sir. Yeah. I mean, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm going to drop off a bit.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Sure. Sure. Okay. So Arista Network, it looks good. And
Avinash, so
yes.
how do we, it's already went up so much. Should I buy a little bit or no? What do you think in this scenario? Because it went
Buy
up so
option.
much.
They said
Huh?
buy. If you want to buy option. Don't buy stock.
Okay, okay, okay.
Don't buy
Okay.
stock at all at this price point, and be
Uh,
willing to control number of contracts. Maybe one contract, two because see, even if you
okay.
buy as a stock, you will be probably able to buy how many? Like
Not much.
not much.
Yeah.
So why to spend that money and you have a downside risk? So
Okay.
yeah, buying option is okay,
Uh,
but buy it for not too long. I will say buy, let's say 2 months or 3 months out.
okay.
Don't spend a lot of money on the premium, but if the stock goes up in a month, $5, $6, don't
Uh-huh.
wait for it to expiry.
Uh-huh.
You will see your actions are different when you are trading options versus stock, because we tend to think that stock, if it goes down, I can just hold it, and or like so for that reason, when you have options, you are a little bit more active, and especially stocks like this,
Uh-huh.
if you buy as a option, safer.
Okay.
Okay.
And don't wait if it goes up, sell it. Don't wait until expiry.
Yeah, yeah. You get your price point. So let's say if you get a $280 call and you able to, and there is a cost basis of, let's say, $2 or $3
Uh-huh.
for 2 months, or $4. So it has to go near 280 290. And once it starts to come down, you sell it.
Okay.
And then just um, meanwhile, you'll have some other stock coming in. So, I mean, uh, uh, um, um, as a option owner, you basically using it for short term. Long
Okay.
term, stock wise, see, unless you are able to buy 100 stock, which will cost you about $28,000,
Mhm.
and that there is a risk of same
Drop.
$8, $9. So you here $2 to $3 or $4, you are getting exposure of 200 100 stocks
100 stock. Yep.
just there. So especially stocks which are more than are expensive like this, they are better to be bought as an option rather than stock.
Yeah.
Just for that reason, and don't go in the money. I mean, try to save on the premium, because
Okay.
if you go in the money of $28, like $250 call in the money, a long call option, market can sense it. They will bring the stock to 240 and let you lose all your premium.
Okay.
You don't get there. That area is I have been burnt myself and trying to save on my premium. I would rather pay little bit more money on the premium, but be safe.
Okay.
Okay, so that's my thought process. Anything else you're looking, sir?
Another one is Palantir, PLTR.
Yeah,
Recently, they came up with a good earnings, and it.
yeah, it shooted up. I know that. Palantir was near $17. One of my client was entering near $16, asking.
Oh,
So
it went up 50% from there.
yeah, he has made good money. He was very happy.
Okay.
So he's yeah. In fact, he entered earlier, and his cost basis was close to $14-15. But yeah. So
So Avinash,
yes.
does it long term looks good for Palantir? You know, their technology, whatever company wise.
Uh, Palantir is good stock. Government security. Okay, so basically investing into US government technology. Okay, but not being a government stock. So that's all going to be very, very important.
Okay.
I feel good about Palantir stock.
Okay.
Yeah, it is okay. But again, as I said, buy and sell. Don't buy and hold it forever. So because see, you did not buy near $15. Why you are looking to buy it near $25?
Yeah, that's why, they showed up, they went up so much. Now, yeah,
Yeah.
I'll monitor when it comes down, then I'll think about it.
Yes. See, that is one truth of a stock is value is more when it is cheaper, and value is less when it is higher.
Yeah, obviously. Yeah.
So if it's gone up, it doesn't mean that you should be getting in. You should always
Yes.
look for a pullback, $22, $21, $20,
Yeah.
and then buy.
Okay.
Any other
Thanks.
stock?
That's it.
All right, then quickly let me just see what the market for this week is. Okay. So we have. So this week we have Fed talk a little bit, and then Tuesday we have CPI numbers. Okay, so that's tomorrow. Tomorrow we have CPI numbers. Wednesday we have just regular. Thursday we have jobless claim. So Tuesday and Thursday is going to be important. And again, Friday is okay. PPI numbers is fine. I think it's nothing specific there. So okay, so tomorrow and
Thursday.
because Thursday is going to be is important to the market point of view. Another thing is from the political standpoint, March will be where their final candidate for Republican will be decided. So that will be also adding some. So a lot may happen between mid of Feb to start of March. So yeah, there will be some level of volatility I'm expecting. And another thing is major stock earnings have already passed through. All bigger ones. So going forward, it's like this markets may tend to get weaker.
Okay. It's too hot, Avinash. Already they went up like 15%, something like that in last 3 months.
Yep. Yeah. From November, it has gone up quite a bit. Almost, I would say 25%. This is one of the hottest cycle I've seen. One quarter being one of the highest moves from the S&P 500 point of view, and even from the tech stocks point of view. Yeah.
To
Okay.
be careful there. Now we have to be careful a little bit.
Yeah. Now we have to be careful. We have to protect our investment and then just move on with where we want to. Where is the next value?
Yeah.
So for now, I think the Super 7 has become Super 4 because the remaining 3 are not performing great. So the market has become very narrow from S&P growth point of view. It's coming to a point where market has become very fragile. Any major news can bring it down quickly.
Yeah.
So yeah. Okay, sir. Yeah. So let's. Any other stock or earning standpoint? I haven't tracked earnings, so I'll do it tomorrow or sometime this week. Okay. So we'll go through it, and I may do more of a sporadic, different time calls because
Avinash, can you send this message like one day before so I can see?
Sir,
Last minute I'm checking. As soon as I saw, it's too late already.
yeah, it's not possible because my timing is very, very unpredictable.
No. Okay. Okay.
But yeah, I'll try my best.
Okay. At least couple of hours.
One suggestion I will say is this particular group, put it in it in the top.
Okay.
So it doesn't go at the bottom. And then whenever it's there, we will anyway, I don't put anything unnecessary which can distract you. So if I'll try to do more sessions, but cannot commit on the time because timing becomes issue.
Okay.
Something comes up, some family call comes up, business call comes up. So for that reason.
Okay, buddy.
Okay, sir. Yeah. Okay, sir. We'll talk today, tomorrow, sometime. I'll put it in the group.
Okay. Thanks, buddy.
Sure, sir. Okay then.